Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you had a chance to try our decadent chocolate pudding cake from last week. If you missed it, of course you can check out that episode right here. Today we're going to be making another fun Halloween favorite, zombie finger cookies. For that, you will need the following ingredients: 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of green gel food coloring, 1/4 cup of finely chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of sliced almonds, and 1/4 cup of cherry jam. In a medium bowl, combine your flour and salt. Use a fork or a whisk to mix together, then set it aside. Add your sugar and your butter to the bowl of a stand mixer that's been fitted with a paddle attachment. Mix on medium speed until it's light and fluffy. Then add your egg, vanilla, and your food coloring. Again, you're going to mix until it's well combined. Once that's done, add your dry ingredients, about half of it at a time, with your mixer on low speed, and stop when the dough just comes together. Add in your pecans, and again, you're going to stir on low speed until everything is just combined. Then cover your bowl with some plastic wrap, and you're going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. After your dough has finished chilling, remove 1/4 of the dough from your refrigerator. Roll about 1 tablespoon of the dough in your hands, and you're going to roll it kind of into a finger shape, and you're going to keep it a little organic and a little lumpy, and then place those finger cookies onto a baking tray. Take a single sliced almond and place it at the end of the cookie to create a little fingernail. Then use your fingers to pinch the cookie in 2 places to create knuckles, and use a sharp knife to press indents along the knuckles to create ridges for these fingers. Once you're done, put your cookies into the freezer, and you're going to freeze for 30 minutes. While they're freezing, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Once your oven has preheated, you're going to bake your cookies 1 tray at a time for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are firm and the tops of your cookies are dry. Let your cookies cool just a little bit on the baking tray. While they're still warm, gently lift off your slivered almond fingernail and add just a little dot of your jam and replace the fingernail. Make sure you push it down so that way a little bit of the jam kind of oozes out. Then lift your cookie and dip the very bottom of it into the jam as well, and then replace it on your baking tray and let them cool all the way on your baking tray. And with that, our zombie finger cookies are done and frightfully delicious. The green color is perfect. It kind of looks a little slimy, a little moldy, perfect for a zombie. Plus, the knuckles and the ridges really make these look like fingers. The bit of jam adds a nice sweetness and a more of a creepy factor, especially right at the fingernails where it kind of looks like the zombie may have clawed his way through the dirt. Either way, these are perfect for your Halloween party or for really any party or any afternoon if you're looking for a spooky twist. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our fabulously frightful zombie finger cookies. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.